Okay folks, Snarly back here again with a few more apps for you. The next one I'm going to look at is the TikTok Plus Plus. What a sensation since the worldwide lockdown, but this is the Plus Plus version, allowing you to download photos and a lot more. You can disable the video autoplay and disable video loops and of course mute users. So let's see how to get it on both Android and on iOS. I'm going to show you iOS. So a bit of housekeeping at the beginning. Let's go into our settings. First thing I need to do is go into my battery and just make sure that the low power mode is turned off. We don't want anything happening during our download. Next thing, go into the general, background app refresh, and just make sure your Wi-Fi and your mobile data is both turned on. From there, let's go to our Safari, and in our Safari type in APK City, CITY.cc to go to the App Store. That's it loaded. Let me bring it up. Make a note of it there. appcity.cc. There's loads of apps here and you can search for them. You can look through them. I'll be talking about most of these as we work through, but moving down, here we have our TikTok Plus Plus. So I'm going to select that and start the injection. What that means is it downloads from the App Store. Takes a bit of time downloading, a minute, 2 minutes, but that depends on your data, it depends on your Wi-Fi. This is coming down very quick and it unpacks. So once it unpacks, it then goes into the install and injects onto your phone. Once the injection's done, it'll set up a final stage. So to get the Plus Plus version, there's a couple of things we need to do, as you see here, and what we need to do is download 2 free apps from the App Store. So there's loads in here to pick from, and games and VPNs and Medical and all sorts of things. One of the ones I like is Norton Secure VPN. I do have it myself. So let's download that from the App Store itself. So I'm going to download that one. Next one I want to do, okay, let's see what else we have in here. So we got Free Print, State of Survival, Coin Master. There's an Express VPN. So there's another VPN, different type. Let's look at it and get it and download it. But please pay attention to the instructions. Do exactly what it says. If it asks you to set up an account, please set up an account. As for the games and things like that, as long as you keep them on your phone for about 30 seconds, then you can delete them. But if you go into Norton, which I'm going to show now, agree and continue, you can start your trial free 7 days just to see what it's like, or you can set up an account with them. I already have an account, so I'm not going through that. The Express VPN is just another type of VPN, so you can create an account in there. Again, it's a very good one, okay, but it's Norton's the one I have. So I have set them up. As long as you keep them 30 seconds and sign up, register, whatever it asks you to do. That's usually the problem when you don't get the full working version, is you haven't done the apps properly. You can always go back to the appcity.cc and select another app. But now they've been on, I'm going to delete them, so I'm going to delete that one. And Norton's I already have on my system, so I don't need them at all. Now I've got the TikTok Plus Plus. Enjoy it. So down the bottom, like and subscribe.